Once a day of unbeatable discounts, Black Friday has become more of a marketing gimmick than a true bargain bonanza. Sure, you might snag a few big-ticket items at 20% off, but the rest, regular price masquerading as a deal. So before you camp out for those doorbusters, pause and think if it's worth the time, energy, and cold coffee. Doing everything yourself might give you a sense of accomplishment, not to mention the illusion of saving money. But how much time are you really spending on these tasks? And can you match the quality of a professional? Time is money after all, and sometimes it's more frugal to hire a pro. Modern dishwashers have evolved to be more energy and water efficient than ever. They use less power to heat the water and can clean more dishes with less water than a full sink. Plus, who wouldn't want to save themselves from the dread of dishpan hands? Saving items for a rainy day might seem like a frugal move, but it's only beneficial up to a point. If you're renting storage units or your home is bursting at the seams with unused items, it's time to rethink. Clutter costs space, and space, my friends, is a premium. While DIY recipes might give you a feeling of self-sufficiency, they're often just soaps, not true detergents. This means they won't get your clothes as clean and can leave a residue that needs frequent stripping. And let's not even get started on the baking soda and vinegar debate. Sometimes, it's better to save your time and frustration and invest in proper cleaning products. Remember, frugality isn't about pinching pennies at the cost of your time, energy, or quality of life. It's about making smart decisions that maximize your resources. So next time you're tempted to follow an age-old frugality tip, pause and ask yourself, is this truly frugal or just a myth masquerading as a money-saving tip?